Welcome to our Introduction to Cloud Computing. In this video, we'll explore what cloud computing is and why it's important. Cloud computing refers to the delivery of computing services, like storage, processing power, and networking, over the internet. This technology allows individuals and businesses to access and use data centers hosted by third parties, eliminating the need for physical servers. Cloud computing is crucial because it offers scalability, flexibility, and cost savings. Businesses can scale their operations up or down based on demand without substantial investments in hardware. It enables efficient resource utilization by sharing computing power among multiple users. The convenience and efficiency offered by cloud computing are revolutionizing industries worldwide. As we delve deeper into cloud computing, we'll uncover the different types of cloud services and see how they can transform your day-to-day operations. Stay with us to understand the fundamental concepts that make cloud computing a cornerstone of modern technology. Welcome to our deep dive into the fundamentals of cloud computing. At its core, cloud computing offers a variety of services catering to different needs. These services are broadly categorized as infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, and software as a service, SaaS. Each of these plays a crucial role in delivering the flexible, scalable, and cost-effective solutions that cloud computing is known for. Cloud services come in different forms to match various requirements. Public clouds, like those provided by AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, are accessible over the internet and offer a wide range of services to a global audience. In contrast, private clouds are exclusively used by one organization, providing increased security and control. Hybrid clouds combine the scalability of public clouds with the security of private clouds. Understanding these types of cloud services and models is fundamental as you begin your journey with cloud computing. Moving forward, you'll see how these concepts lay the groundwork for more advanced cloud strategies and real-world applications. Now that we've covered the basics of cloud computing, let's dive into how it actually works. At the heart of cloud computing are data centers, state-of-the-art facilities packed with powerful servers. These data centers host all the resources you'll ever need. Next, we have virtualization, a key technology that allows these resources to be divided, shared, and managed efficiently. Virtualization creates multiple simulated environments from a single physical hardware system. Finally, all this operates seamlessly via internet connectivity. The internet acts as the pipeline connecting users to cloud services, allowing us to access data and applications from virtually anywhere in the world. To sum up, cloud computing relies on data centers, virtualization, and solid internet connections to deliver robust, flexible, and powerful services. Understanding these elements is crucial as we move forward to explore practical applications of cloud computing and how they transform our daily lives. In today's digital landscape, cloud computing has become indispensable for enhancing efficiency and resilience. Let's first delve into storage solutions. Cloud storage offers scalable, cost-effective, and secure ways to manage vast amounts of data. Companies can store, access, and share files seamlessly without worrying about physical hardware limitations. Moving on to software as a service, or SaaS, this model allows businesses to access software applications over the internet, eliminating the need for local installations. It offers flexibility and scalability essential for modern enterprises. Think of everyday tools like Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. These are prime examples of SaaS at work. Lastly, let's talk about disaster recovery. In the event of a catastrophic failure, cloud computing provides robust backup and recovery solutions, ensuring that data and applications can be quickly restored, minimizing downtime and financial loss. This peace of mind is invaluable in a world where data breaches and natural disasters are real threats. As we move forward, you'll see how these practical applications transform businesses and industries alike. In the business world, transformation is key to staying competitive. Company X recognized this and embarked on a groundbreaking journey with cloud computing. Initially, their operations were fragmented, struggling with outdated infrastructure and high maintenance costs. Transitioning to the cloud, they streamlined processes, improved data management, and reduced operational expenses. The benefits were immediate and significant. Employee productivity soared as they accessed tools and data from anywhere, facilitating remote work and collaboration. Cost savings were substantial, allowing the company to reinvest in innovation and growth. Perhaps most notably, the cloud enabled instantaneous scaling of resources to meet changing demands, enhancing agility and responsiveness. This real-world example of Company X highlights the transformative power of cloud computing, presenting a compelling case for its adoption in today's digital age. As we move forward, you'll see how cloud computing reshapes various industries, from healthcare to education. Today, we'll explore how cloud computing is transforming various industries, starting with healthcare. Cloud solutions enable medical professionals to store vast amounts of data securely, facilitating quicker access to patient records and fostering better collaboration. In the finance sector, cloud computing enhances security and efficiency, helping institutions manage massive data volumes, streamline transactions, and improve regulatory compliance. With cloud technology, financial entities can offer more robust services to their customers while ensuring data protection. Education is also witnessing significant advancements thanks to cloud computing. Schools and universities leverage the cloud to provide virtual classrooms, enable seamless communication, and store educational resources. This transformation is making quality education more accessible to students worldwide, breaking geographical barriers and fostering innovative learning environments. Cloud computing is revolutionizing these key sectors by providing scalable, efficient, and secure solutions. As we continue, you'll see the broader implications and future trends that shape the landscape of cloud computing. As we look towards the future, cloud computing stands on the cusp of unprecedented transformation. Emerging trends such as edge computing, AI integration, and quantum computing are poised to reshape the landscape. These developments promise to enhance efficiency, data processing speeds, and overall performance. As technologies evolve, cloud services will become even more robust, offering tailored solutions for diverse industry needs. Imagine cloud infrastructure adapting in real time, delivering insights and solutions at the speed of thought. This is not a distant vision, but an impending reality. The potential developments in cloud computing will empower businesses, streamline operations, and foster innovation like never before. We're entering an era where the cloud is not just a tool, but an integral part of our technological fabric, driving us towards new heights of capability and convenience. As we move forward, you'll discover how these advancements could revolutionize your industry and everyday experiences. While cloud computing offers numerous advantages, it's essential to understand the challenges that come with its adoption. Security concerns top the list, as data breaches and cyber threats are constant risks in the cloud. Ensuring your information is safeguarded requires robust security measures and continuous monitoring. Another significant consideration is cost management. Though cloud services can be cost-effective, unforeseen expenses often arise. Effective cost control and budgeting are critical to avoid overspending. Understanding pricing models and optimizing resource usage is crucial. Compliance is a third critical factor. Different industries have unique regulatory requirements that must be met when storing and processing data in the cloud. Navigating these rules and maintaining compliance is a complex but necessary task. These challenges highlight the need for careful planning and management when integrating cloud solutions into your business. As we continue, you'll see how various organizations address these issues and successfully leverage the power of the cloud. Stay with us as we explore these strategies and more in the subsequent segments. Let's take a moment to recap what we've covered in our journey through cloud computing. We've delved into the basics, learning about the different types of cloud services and how they operate. We explored practical applications, highlighting how cloud storage, SaaS, and disaster recovery solutions are transforming business operations. We examined a real-world case study showcasing Company X's remarkable transformation using cloud computing and the tangible benefits they reaped. Our discussion didn't stop there. We ventured into the vast impact cloud computing has on various industries, from healthcare and finance to education. Looking to the future, we saw how emerging trends and potential developments in cloud computing are set to revolutionize technology further. With opportunities come challenges, such as security concerns, cost management, and compliance. By linking these concepts back to real world applications and industry impacts, we've underscored the transformative power of cloud computing. As we move forward, we encourage you to explore more and stay updated on the latest in cloud computing. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of cloud computing. We hope you now have a solid understanding of the basics and the transformative power this technology holds for various industries. If you found this video informative and engaging, we encourage you to take the next step in your learning journey. By subscribing to our channel, you'll gain access to more in-depth content on cloud computing and other cutting-edge tech topics tailored specifically for tech enthusiasts, students, and professionals alike. Your subscription allows us to continue providing high-quality educational content, helping you stay updated with the latest trends and developments in technology. So don't miss out. Click that subscribe button and join our growing community of tech learners. As always, we appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more insightful videos that can help you navigate the ever-evolving world of technology. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.